Are you looking for a nice and free way to make your whiteboard animation video about any topic, about any content? So in today's video, I'm gonna show you a simple way to do it. And first of all, just you can decide your content and what your video is talking about. So I just take ways of make money online to make our whiteboard animation video. So now let's begin the first step just by going to ChatGPT. And here in this amazing tool, just you can insert this prompt. I want to make a short whiteboard video about ways to make money online. Of course, you can replace this niche by your niche and your content. And give me 6 ways to in short sentences, and give me what graphics are included in every method. That is very important point. What graphics are included for every method or every scene in your whiteboard animation video. And here it gives me a lot of different ways like freelancing, affiliate marketing, digital product selling, investing in stocks, drop shipping, and whatnot. So now we can jump into the next step by going together to canva.com. Yes, and here we can make our video on YouTube or for the social media such as TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and so forth. So I just take videos. And now we can go to blank video, and here by the result of ChatGPT, just we can find here for every single method it gives me a sentences and it's a graphics. Like for freelancing, you can find a person typing on laptop and icons of various skills like writing, design, and coding. And likewise on affiliate marketing for a person holding a product and shopping a cart icon linked by a $sign and so on. So now here on canva.com, just you can search for every single graphic mentioned by ChatGPT. So for example, here if we talk about the introduction of your video, ways to make money online. So first of all, just you can begin with go to element section and look for something like ways. Okay, ways. And then you can go to graphics and grab one of them like this graphic, for example, ways. Okay, perfect. And you can look for something like make money, like this one, for example. Okay, and now we can finish this introduction scene by searching for something like okay hand. So we can download this page as an image in PNG format. So now we can go to share and download it as a PNG. Okay, and download it. Then we can remove all these graphics and move on to the next scene and get starting by the first method to make money online, that is freelancing. And here we can search for different graphics like typing on laptop and some icons regarding freelancing gigs on Fiverr and so on, like writing, design, coding, translation, and so on. So now we can copy this one. Okay, and go to canva.com to create our scene and our image like the previous one. So go to here to element section and look for your one like a person typing on laptop, and here we can find the different icons and the graphics that represent your query. So I take one of them like this one, it's an amazing one. Okay, this is a freelancer, and now we can put under this graphic some gigs and some skills like writing and code and design. And here we go, just I finished up from this scene by adding the last one, that is coding skill. And now just you can download this scene and this page as an image as we did for the previous one. And now just we can move to the third step in today's video just by going to an apps section on canva.com. And now we can search for something like speed painter. That would be like that for Fox speed painter. And there just you can remove all these elements. And now just you can upload each image we have downloaded for your video. So now you can choose your first image, like the introduction of ways to make money online. Choose file like this one, and here you can find it. You can control over sketch duration. You can make it either 3 seconds, 5 seconds, and so on. So you can make it 3 seconds, okay, and fill with color to fill all these colors on these graphics. So just I can check this one, and of course we can make it 3 seconds as well. And here for add sketching hand effect, I just recommend for you to make it visible, because it's make your sense to make this writing on a board and so on. So just you can check this one, and now we can click over this button, generate it. Then just in few seconds it gives you your video clip about this introduction scene, and the result would be amazing like this one. Just to play it. Whiteboard animation for your introduction scene for your video, as you see, and it just takes 6 seconds as we did before. So now we can fill this video clip to all your canvas, okay, and then you can download this scene as MP4, and we can do it for the next image, like can go to this one, delete this image and upload another one, or the first way to make one online, that is freelancing, for example. Choose file like this one, and we can keep all these settings as well, like 3 seconds, or so you can make it 5 seconds, for example, and for 5 seconds, okay, and keep this hand effect for sketching and generate this video clip as well. And here this result as you observe. For freelancing, this guy and these different skills like writing, coding, and designing. Perfect. And now we can spread this video clip and download it as MP4. And now we can jump to the next step by creating your voiceover for your whole video. Just you can use 11labs.io. It gives you a free plan of 10,000 characters. That's enough for you to make your whiteboard animation video. So now we can go to ChatGPT and ask it for to give me a voiceover or a script of 1 minute video about this content or these methods. And it gives me this one for introduction, 6 simple ways to make money online, and here you can find this voiceover. And for freelancing as a first gig or the first way to make money online, these graphics and the voiceover as well. So now we can copy one by one and create your voiceover line per line. So just you can make all these voiceovers here, there on 11 Labs. And now just you can go to the last method that you can combine all these elements that you did on Canva.com and your voiceover tracks from 11 Labs in one video using any video editing software like Filmora, Premiere Pro, DaVinci, or CapCut. So now you can go CapCut, and then you can upload all your elements. So now here you can bring all your elements, and of course just I can make all these scenes in your video and all these voiceovers. So now we can drag one by one for its voiceover, like this one for example, as introduction of your video, and drag its voiceover like this one.
Want to make money online? Here are 6 easy ways to get started.
And then you can find a nice trick here. Of course, if you notice this, you can find this whiteboard animation video clip. It's longer than its voiceover. So how we can make it in the same pace? Here you can select this video clip and go to speed, okay. And now we can make it quicker than normal, as you see. Perfect, as you observe. So now we can play this one.
Money online? Here are 6 easy ways to get started.
Perfect. And the same way to the next clip or the second scene in your video. A little bit, okay, perfect, as you observe. So now we can just...
Want to make money online? Here are 6 easy ways to get started. First, you can offer your skills as a freelancer. Write, design, or code for clients and get paid for your work.
And of course, you can do the same way for every single scene on your video to complete your entire video about your content and your idea. So now by the end of the video, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.